This is going to be a 3-part video. It's a part of my series on how to plant, grow, and harvest your vegetables in a container, and this is the pepper part of it. So I started these peppers. I put 2 of them in a cup, and I am going to be planting these 2 together. Right here I have a 10-gallon grow bag. I bought these off Amazon. I will have the direct link if you're interested in picking some up yourself. I'll link it in the description box. And I did make this soil myself. I did make a video on it, so I will be posting that very soon. I'll show you how to make your own gardening soil, save you some money along the way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and plant these 2 in this container together. They will do just fine, but you want to plant them a little ways apart, so we are gonna separate them. And when you're planting your peppers, you only want to plant them up to the original height of the soil that they were in their cup. So we're not going to bury the stem or anything like that. In this soil, I have already mixed a handful of fertilizer, Dr. Earth's, and I just went ahead and took a handful and spread it all over and mixed it in. You don't want to over fertilize your pepper plants. A handful is enough for 2 pepper plants. If you're only doing 1, I would do like half of that. So for 2, I would definitely do a handful of fertilizer. Let's go ahead and get these out of their cups and separated. And these are the root system. They look really nice. They're not overgrown or anything like that. It's the perfect time to get them planted. So I'm just gonna separate them like this. I'm hoping that this one will survive. Didn't mean to break it down that low, so just be careful when you're transplanting. Okay, it should survive. We'll see. I will definitely keep you updated on this. So this is fine. It most likely will still grow completely fine, but if you can, keep more of the root. Keep as much of the root as you possibly can. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and dig 2 holes. Be very gentle. And in these planting holes, I'm going to go ahead and put in a handful of worm castings. This is from Earth Science, this brand. And that's just gonna give your container soil the nutrients that it needs, because it doesn't really have any living organisms in here like worms or anything. So just throwing in some worm castings will, you know, give it that extra boost. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take this plant, pop it right in there, and you don't want to cover the stem too far, just kind of cover it to where it was already at. Press it down. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and take our next one. Just backfill it in there. Hopefully this one does okay. I will keep you posted on how these do. It will be a 3-part video. I will eventually have to stake these, so that will be the 2nd video. They won't need much staking, but you do want to just give them something to hold on to. Okay. Okay. And And it's as easy as that. Now we're gonna go ahead and water these in with a soluble fertilizer, and that's gonna give your plant the nutrients that it needs right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my Alaskan fish fertilizer, which I absolutely love. This is not a sponsored video. I just really genuinely like this product. It works well. I used it last year and it did wonders for my plants, so I just really love it. So we're gonna go ahead and water those in nicely. You know, and you can just go ahead and if you feel like you need to do anything extra to your plant, that's fine. Okay, so after this, if you want to mulch around your plant to keep the moisture in your container, you can go ahead and do that, and that will just help prevent your plant from drying out. And yeah, your pepper plants are ready to go. So pepper plants do like at least 6 to 8 hours of sun per day. I don't believe that they love full sun, but they love at least 6 hours of sun. And you want to fertilize your plant every 10 to 14 days if you can. And yeah, I will have a second video on how to do all of that. So make sure that you stay tuned. If you're interested in this type of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel, comment down below if this video was helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.